Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Kim. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're actually going to be taking it back to old school YouTube thanks to Ted from Buffalo Beauty Boy. He recently filmed a video and brought up the idea to kind of restart the older trend of what's in my bag tags. So kind of finding out what you carry in your day-to-day purse, satchel, backpack, whatever it may be. And I was super happy with that idea. I really liked watching those when it was popular back then, and they just kind of fell off the face of the earth. I know some people still do them, but I thought it was kind of fun and interesting, especially in these interesting times. So he got a group of us together. I'll be sure to link down everybody's channels and Instagrams in the bio. I definitely suggest you go and watch them as well. But we're gonna get into what's in my bag. So let's hop right in. So the bag that I've been using, or will be showing right now, is the Pixie Mood Zoe bag, I believe it's called. And I don't know if they make this color anymore, but it was the color Cloud, I believe. They make a ton of really nice purses and bags, satchels, phone cases, wallets, I think, too. I'll link down their website down below. But I actually got this in a CosBox, which is one of those subscription services. And this totally made that box worth it because I've been using this for, I think, a year or maybe a little bit over a year now. And I think it's just great. It's vegan leather, so if that bothers you at all, like real leather, I don't know. But it is super sturdy. I love it a lot. And it holds the perfect amount of stuff. So we're gonna get into that. I'm just gonna pull out things in my bag in no order, I guess. I tried not to take anything really out of it except for like random receipts because I am one of those receipt hoarding people. I'm sorry. But first thing that I always have are these like Bluetooth headphones. I got these at a Winners and they were like really cheap. I know that so many people have like AirPods, but I just can't trust myself to not lose one for the price point that they are. I think that these were like $30. They're awesome. They have like a little button on them so you can turn off and on the music. And yeah, they're just really good. They haven't quit on me yet, so I think that's a big win. Everybody, I'm sure, is definitely gonna include this in their what's in their bag video for this year, at least, is masks. I have so many masks in my purse at one time because I'll wear one and then I'll put it in my bag, and then at like the end of the week I'll take them all out and wash them. So this one is the one that I've been wearing, the one that I wore most recently, and it has like the Toy Story little characters on it, so I think that was cute. But yeah, tons and tons of masks. It's never ending. They're our newest accessory. I have fully embraced that. And to go with masks, we're gonna pull out a hand sanitizer. Yay! Can't go anywhere without this. This is by Sol de Janeiro, and it actually smells just like their like body cream, and it doesn't smell horrible, which so many of them do, so I do like that. I like the spray ones as well more than the gel, but that's just my personal preference. I know that this is definitely not a necessary item. Any alcohol-based hand sanitizer will work. I got this for Christmas as like a stocking stuffer, but it smells so good. It's definitely like a treat version of hand sanitizer, if you ask me. I can never leave the house without my phone charger. I have the iPhone 11 Pro, and for some reason they've changed these things, so now you have to have a special adapter just for your little charger it comes with. Although, you know, any charger will work, but I just found that so odd. This is just the one that came with the phone, but Apple always has to change it to make it harder for people, I guess. Next up we have my wallet, which just has a bunch of things, cards, normal wallet stuff. Yeah, this one was actually a gift from my in-laws. I've used it for a few years now, and it gets the job done. I like to keep blotting papers in my bag. Although I don't usually get super oily, I have more combination skin, but I feel like they're just a good thing to have because you never know when you might need it. if you're testing out something that you're not used to and it starts to look a little bit weird throughout the day, these come in handy. They last me forever, and usually you can find them on sale at Sephora or like at a Winners or Marshall's, HomeSense, any of those places. These are the Boscia Clear Complexion blotting linens, and I'll say they're really nice, but they have such a strong scent. So I don't know if that bothers you. Maybe don't pick these ones up specifically, but they do last me a very long time and they work well. I always keep a lip balm in my bag, and so the one that I've been using a lot lately has been the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lip balm in the pumpkin spice flavor. So they came out with this in the fall, and it smells so good. I'm gonna be scared to run out of this stuff because they don't carry this scent all year. It was limited edition, you can't get it anymore. But this stuff feels amazing. If you hear people talk amazing things about this product specifically, like a liquid lip balm, I know a lot of you are like, oh, it's probably just a gloss. It actually makes your lips feel like really hydrated. It's perfect for this time of year, and I pretty much always have it in my bag with me, so definitely a winner. When this is used up, I'll go to their original non-scented version. I don't know if it has a flavor or a scent, the original one. If you do know, let me know down below, because I am curious. Oh, here's... I always carry this relic, which is the Nintendo DS Lite. This thing is old, like so old. I actually went on a trip, like a road trip to Prince Edward Island, and they have this Cow's Creamery, and so they sell these stickers there. I don't know if they're still there or if they still do this. So it's the cow as Super Mario, and it's been on there literally since I was in grade 8. Yeah, it's been a long time. But yeah, no, so I always keep this in here because I'm a sucker for old games and nostalgia, and there are two games that I continuously play, and that would be Harvest Moon and also Pokemon Emerald. That was actually the first Pokemon game that I ever played, and I had such an obsession with Pokemon Emerald. It's not even funny. I had the guidebook. I read it like front to back so many times. The binding is gone. If you asked me anything about Pokemon Emerald, I would have the answer for you. The obsession is real. That's all I can say. But yeah, if I'm ever at work, and I always go for walks on my lunch break, but if the weather's not good, instead of just sitting in the lunchroom on my phone, sometimes I'll play this, or if I'm in a car with my husband grocery shopping, or if I don't want to go in somewhere he's going, like I might play this in the car. You never know, apparently, when you're gonna want to farm or catch Pokemon. So, I don't know. I just always have this, and I really hope that it does not die. Ever. Oh, more makeup stuff. So, at the end of each week, I try to clean out my purse, because just like how I'm a receipt and random paper hoarder in my bags, I'm also a lipstick, lip gloss, lip balm hoarder. So every day I might pick a new lipstick to wear, or gloss, or whatever, and that'll be for the day, and then it'll be kind of abandoned in my purse until I clean it out. So there's typically like 6 or 7 lipsticks in my purse at one time, which is insane. But the ones that I do keep in there the most is the Bite Beauty lipstick, and it's in the shade Leche, which is just like my perfect kind of nude. I can put it on with everything. I don't know if you want to swatch here, but I think it's just awesome. I really, really like this formula. I know a lot of people miss their original lipsticks, but when these came out, I thought it was a good idea because it's easier to transport with, and it makes it easier to apply more precisely. So yeah, I just really like this shade, and yeah, that's something that's in my bag a lot, this one specifically. And then another lip gloss, or this is a lip oil, but it's the new Merit Beauty, and I have it in the shade Marrakech. This one's just really nice. It's pretty hydrating. I've been testing it out and wearing it, so it's been in my purse a lot. It's got a nice amount of color. It's not super sheer, so it's more of like a warm toned nude shade. It's just been in my purse a lot, so I definitely have been getting some good use out of this. I do recommend it. I think it's a really nice lip oil. It is pretty thin, so if you like lip oils that are a lot thicker, cushionier, probably won't be your kind of jam, but for me, I do like it. Take that as you will. I can't not have a mirror with me, so this is the one that I use a lot. My friend Joy actually got this for me literally ages ago, and it looks like the Sailor Moon compact, which I thought was super cute, and I've used it a lot. The hinges are coming a bit loose. I'm scared of it breaking, but I'm gonna keep using it because I do think it's quite cute, and the mirror on it is actually really nice, so that's in my bag constantly. You never know when you're gonna need to touch up, especially when you have bangs. I recently just cut my bangs again. I've had them a lot in the past, but they can look pretty messed up very easily. Now, with wearing masks all the time, there's nothing worse than having bad breath right now, because that's all you can smell, which is gross. So I get these little Listerine like sprays, which is perfect, especially if you are a constant coffee drinker like me. And yeah, these are in my bag. They're pretty slim, so they don't take up too much space, and I just find them convenient. The final thing, or things, in my purse is actually perfume. So I always have like a little mini sample size perfume I usually get with a Sephora order or something. This one was one of those deluxe, you add it to your order, and I just like to try them out. And this one right now is the Jo Malone, I believe it's, yeah, Fig and Lotus Flower. I think it's super nice. It's very fresh, and it's not too flowery, so I don't personally really like flowery scents. So this one's been doing pretty well. I don't know if I could ever pull the trigger and buy a Jo Malone perfume because they're pretty pricey, but it is nice. And then my all-time favorite perfume that I have in like a massive size bottle, but then I also have a travel spray to keep on me constantly. Sometimes I just like to smell it because it makes me feel like chill, you know what I mean? But it is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Midnight. When I heard Flower Bomb, I was like, oh, I'm probably not gonna like it because it's gonna be way too floral. This one is like super juicy, dark berries. It's very like, it's just like a really fruity, juicy scent that does last a long time on the skin. A lot of like fruity scents don't typically last that long on me. So I was super happy to find this. I think it's just a really nice scent. It's not too mature, and it's not too overwhelming where you would think this is only a nighttime fragrance. I feel like this works even better in the daytime anyway. So I always have this on me. I'm almost always wearing this, and I think it just smells so good. Like, I can't even begin to describe how much I love this. I mean, I did, but I love it a lot, so that's my favorite perfume. So that was everything that is in my bag. I'm actually very curious to hear what are some of the items that are constantly in your purse or your bag or your backpack or whatever that are just, they're reliable products for you and you know that they're always in there. I love hearing about that, knowing what are staple products for people, even if it's something like a blotting paper or something like that. So let me know down below. And also, don't forget to watch everybody's videos that was included in this What's in My Bag tag, and another big shout out to Ted. Definitely go check out everybody's videos, and I'll be linking their Instagram accounts as well. If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe to keep seeing more from me, and check out my own Instagram. I'm active on there a lot more than I'm on YouTube, although I'm trying to get better at posting. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope you all have an amazing afternoon, morning, night, wherever you are. I hope that you are staying healthy and safe, and until next time, I'll see you all again.